ओके चलो दोस्तों 90 डेज का चैलेंज इंग्लिश वर्ड के साथ शुरू करते हैं। तो आज डे है 4। तो पहला वर्ड है लाइक। लाइक very similar. Okay, the two boys are very alike means type of similar. Two things are similar in the same way. Okay, we try to treat women and men like in this company, alike in this company. Okay, the book is popular with adults and children's alike. Okay, alimentary canal. Okay, the long passage inside your body which food moves along from the mouth to the opening where it leaves your body as waste. ओके, मुखापासून ते गुदद्वारापर्यंतचा शरीरातील अन्नाचा मार्ग, पचन मार्ग, आहार मार्ग. ओके, alimentary canal. ओके, alumni, money that you have to pay by law to your former wife or husband after getting divorced. ओके, घटस्फोट घेतल्यानंतर आधीच्या पत्नीला किंवा पतीला कायद्याने द्यावा लागणारा पैसा, पोटगी. ओके, अलिव, वो अलाइक था, ये अलिव है. अलिव नॉट डेड. ओके, लिव्हिंग, मृत नसलेला. द क्विक ॲक्शन ऑफ द डॉक्टर्स केप्ट द चाइल्ड अलिव. ओके, अलिव हा शब्द फक्त नामांतर वापरता येतो, पण लिव्हिंग हा शब्द मात्र नामापूर्वी वापरता येतो. ओके, आर हर पेरेंट्स स्टील अलिव? डज शी हॅव एनी लिव्हिंग रिलेटिव्ह? ओके, कंटिन्यूज टू एक्झिस्ट, अस्तित्व असणार. मेनी ओल्ड ट्रॅडिशन्स आर व्हेरी मच अलिव in this area of the country, full of life. Okay, in the evening the town really comes alive. Okay, next word is alkali. Alkali, a chemical substance that reacts with acid to form a salt. Okay, a chemical substance that react with acid to form a salt. Okay, alkali has a pH value more than 7. Okay, alkaloid. Okay, next word is alkaloid. Alkaloid, a poisonous substance that is found in some plants. Some alkaloids are used in drugs. Okay, काही वनस्पतीमध्ये आढळणारे एक विषारी द्रव्य. ओके, अल्कलॉइड्स. अल्कलाइन. ओके, एनी ऑफ series of gas that contain hydrogen and carbon. Okay, any of series of gases that contains hydrogen and carbon. Okay, alkane. Okay, any of a series of gases that contain hydrogen and carbon. Alkaline, hydrogen and carbon, and that have a double bond. Okay, double bond, holding atoms together. Okay, all. Okay, next word is allocate. Okay, to give something to his her share or to decide to use something for particular purpose. Okay, एखाद्याला एखादी गोष्ट त्याचा वाटा म्हणून देणे किंवा एखादी गोष्ट विशिष्ट कामासाठी वापरणे. ओके, allocate. The government has allocated half the budget for education. Okay, allot. Okay, allot, allotting, allotted, allot something. Okay, to give a share of work, time, something. Okay, different Okay, different tasks were allotted to each member of the class. We all finished the exam in the allotted time. Okay, allotment. Okay. And an amount of something that something is given or is allowed to have. The process of giving something to. ओके, वाटलेलं किंवा राखून ठेवलेला हिस्सा अलॉटमेंट. ओके, थैंक यू. आज यहीं पे ख़त्म करेंगे. थैंक यू, बाय.